Alright, so I've been seeing a few comments of people saying like, yo, dog, you need to brush your hair. I do. I do brush my hair when I get out of the shower and then I let it dry and it does what it does. But for me to brush it now, you don't understand, man. My hair has like a mind of its own. I'll show you what happens. Let's go.
This still doesn't explain why I saw her eating toilet paper off the floor. Come here. Oh!
Just too good at this shit.
Right.
Gay gummy with a spoon? Excuse me?
Gag me with a spoon.
Father. It is.
Is there anything today that I ate that wasn't microwaved? You fucking donut. Of course you don't put a fucking...
Wake up my best friend for you?
Oh, go ahead, go ahead.
Hey, best friend! Best friend! Get up!
Just did a bad thing. I regret the thing I did. And you're wondering what it is. I'll tell you what I did. I did a bad.
Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. It's Carol here at Big Cat Rescue.
Damn! Listen to
Harry, you're gay.
Oh, yeah?
Check this out. We got a bed. We got a TV. We got more beds, but check this out right here, boys. You come in here. Boom. Look at.
Oh, you have to take a video.
Fuck, big.
I don't think you can understand what this is all about. Such a complicated series of events in this country.
Depressed.
M.E. Correct.
First step is to load fresh bread into an automated machine. The bread is slapped to ensure its quality.
Please don't hit your head.
Let me catch it.
Watch this shit. My cat's insane. Look at him go. Whoa!
Hello.
How
Hey Jackson, what's the big time rush?
Mom just got hit by a car.
So apparently someone's been talking shit saying that I can't fucking skateboard. Well, if I can't skateboard, then I'll explain this.
Someone's butt hurt in my math class. LGBTQ rights. Kiss my ass. Sounds kinda gay, not gonna lie.
Yo, what are you doing, Tyrese?
Alright, Mom, I want you to just read my future kids' names.
Okay. Free to slaves. An abortion. Ow! Penetration. Testicle. Oh, testicle! Huge ass. Bend over. My cock's More molester.
Say something loud.
What's good, fellas? What's good, Slim?
Shit, what's good, bro?
What's up? No. What the hell are you eating?
Domino's.
No. No one out Pizza's the Hut. Give me that.
And get outside and do some exercise like AJ. Way to represent AJ. Anybody else outside with us today?
I just don't fucking get it, bro.
I think I just found my new favorite bodily sound.
Yeah?
Now did you pet your titties?
My what?
Your titties.
My titties?
Like those. Can I pet them?
Oh, kitties.
Can I pet them?
Sure.
Fighting them. Okay, I'll tell you. Do you know the Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane. Well, she's married to the Muffin Man.
The Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man.
Becky.
I got that!
Ah, what a gentleman. What a gentleman.
Right, where's my pillow? Bro.
Becca, you okay?
Please don't come in.
Becca, what's wrong?
Look, oh my gosh, Mom's gonna kill me. I dyed my hair and it looks absolutely atrocious.
Oh, come on, dude, it can't be that bad.
No, seriously, don't come in.
Dude, come on, it can't.
No! Seriously, oh my gosh, I can't even right now.
But wait, dude, but why do the edges look so good?
Dude.
What?
Do you have bananas?
What the fuck are you looking at?
You?
Why do you look so weird right now?
'Cause you're high?
Huh?
Because you're high.
Take your seat.
I'm good.
Listen. What in the two rats fucking in a ranch Dorito bag is going on right now?
Language.
Oh, I'm sorry. What did I say? What did I say?
You said the F word.
I did?
Like 4 times.
Oh, shit. Oh, no, fuck. Oh, God damn it. Is it impossible, incurable?